My name is Himanshi Chaurasia. I study in class 8. My school name is UPS Malupur Mandhata Pratapgarh. I am going to tell you about the element symbol of the periodic table and its atomic number. H hydrogen and atomic number is 1. Li lithium and atomic number is 3. Na sodium and atomic number is 11. K potassium and atomic number is 19. Rb rubidium and atomic number is 37. Cs calcium and atomic number is 55. Fr francium and atomic number is 87. Be beryllium and atomic number is 4. Mg magnesium and atomic number is 12. Ca calcium and atomic number is 20. Sr strontium and atomic number is 38. Ba beryllium and atomic number is 56. Ra radium and atomic number is 88. Sc scandium and atomic number is 21. Ya yttrium and atomic number is 39. La lanthanum and atomic number is 57. Ac actinium and atomic number is 89. Ti titanium and atomic number is 22. Zr zirconium and atomic number is 40. Hf hafnium and atomic number is 72. Rf rutherfordium and atomic number is 104. V vanadium and atomic number is 23. Nb niobium and atomic number is 41. Ta tantalum and atomic number is 73. Db dubnium and atomic number is 105. Cr chromium and atomic number is 24. Mo molybdenum and atomic number is 42. W tungsten and atomic number is 74. SgCo borgium and atomic number is 106. Mn manganese and atomic number is 25. Tc technetium and atomic number is 43. Re rhenium and atomic number is 75. Bh bohrium and atomic number is 117. Fe iron and atomic number is 26. Ru ruthenium and atomic number is 44. Os osmium and atomic number is 76. Hs hassium and atomic number is 108. Co cobalt and atomic number is 27. Rh rhodium and atomic number is 45. Ir iridium and atomic number is 77. Mt meitnerium and atomic number is 119. Ni nickel and atomic number is 28. Pd palladium and atomic number is 46. Pt platinum and atomic number is 78. Ds darmstadtium and atomic number is 110. Cu copper and atomic number is 29. Ag silver and atomic number is 47. Au gold and atomic number is 79. Rg uranium and atomic number is 111. Zn zinc and atomic number is 30. Cd cadmium and atomic number is 48. Hg para and atomic number is 80. Cn copernicium and atomic number is 112. B boron and atomic number is 5. Al aluminium and atomic number is 13. Ga gallium and atomic number is 31. In indium and atomic number is 49. Tl thallium and atomic number is 81. Nh neodymium and atomic number is 113. C carbon and atomic number is 6. Si silicon and atomic number is 14. Ge germanium and atomic number is 32. Sn tin and atomic number is 50. Fl Pb lead and atomic number is 82. Fl flerovium and atomic number is 114. N nitrogen and atomic number is 7. P phosphorus and atomic number is 15. As arsenic and atomic number is 33. Sb antimony and atomic number is 51. Di bismuth and atomic number is 83. Ms moscovium and atomic number is 115. O oxygen and atomic number is 8. S sulfur and atomic number is 16. Se selenium and atomic number is 34. Te tellurium and atomic number is 52. Po polonium and atomic number is 84. Lv livermorium and atomic number is 116. F fluorine and atomic number is 9. Cl chlorine and atomic number is 17. Br bromine and atomic number is 35. I iodine and atomic number is 53. At astatine and atomic number is 85. Ts tennessine and atomic number is 117. He helium and atomic number is 2. Ne neon and atomic number is 10. Ar argon and atomic number is 18. Kr krypton and atomic number is 36. Xe xenon and atomic number is 54. Rn radon and atomic number is 86. Og ognesian and atomic number is 118. Ce cerium and atomic number is 58. Pr praseodymium and atomic number is 59. Nd neodymium and atomic number is 60. Pm promethium and atomic number is 61. Sm samarium and atomic number is 62. Eu europium and atomic number is 63. Gd gadolinium and atomic number is 64. Tb terbium and atomic number is 65. Dy dysprosium and atomic number is 66. Ho holmium and atomic number is 67. Er iribium and atomic number is 68. Tn thulium and atomic number is 69. Yba terbium and atomic number is 70. Lu lutetium and atomic number is 71. Th thorium and atomic number is 90. Pa protactinium and atomic number is 91. U uranium and atomic number is 92. Np neptunium and atomic number is 93. Pu plutonium and atomic number is 94. Am americium and atomic number is 95. Cm curium and atomic number is 96. Bk berkelium and atomic number is 97. Cf californium and atomic number is 98. Es einsteinium and atomic number is 99. Fm fermium and atomic number is 100. Md mendelevium and atomic number is 101. No nobelium and atomic number is 102. Lr lawrencium and atomic number is 103. Thank you.